Hi Sewing Bees, I'm Sue O'Berry, also known as Sookie Sews, and I am super thrilled to be sharing with you the release of my third book from Fox Chapel Publishing, The Pocket Guide to Sergers. This Pocket Guide to Sergers is packed with everything you need to master your serger, all in one handy 64-page guide with over 100 beautiful photos to walk you through every step. This guide covers from threading to tension adjustments to the types of stitches your serger can do. It's packed with tips to make your serging skills from beginner to pro in no time. Whether you're brand new to serging or you've been using one for a while, this guide has got you covered. You'll learn how to set up your machine, choose the right stitch, and even use specialty feet for advanced techniques. The best part? You can keep this pocket guide to sergers right by your side while you work, or literally in your pocket for a quick reference. And once you get the book, you'll also get bonus video tips from me. Just follow the instructions inside. So whether you're just getting started or you're ready to dive deeper into the world of sergers, click the link in the description to grab your copy today. And trust me, this little guide is going to change the way you use a serger. Get the Pocket Guide to Sergers today and start serging like a pro. See you in the bonus videos.